picked up some chat messages from the previous stream. And it doesn't look like it actually started the event. It has not started the event. God damn it. Give me a minute. Oh, okay. It is starting the event, just a little slower than normal. Okay. So I'm going to keep an eye on the chat, again, manually, just in case. Because I don't super trust it, given the difficulty from earlier today. But hopefully it... actually it looks like it picked up the YouTube messages. Okay. Cool. We'll call that a win. Okay. So with that, let's get this party started. I am working on the decommissioning PR, graceful decommissioning PR that I've been working on for a long time. And it's giving me some really just sort of frustrating challenges. I'm gonna update this. Okay, echo Spark Decom PR. What is going on with these tests? I'm so confused. Okay. Go over here, click on Holden. Why is this not showing anything? Oh, it's hidden? Okay, wait, come on. Come on, Restream. I'm less certain about this. Because it doesn't have the YouTube messages anymore. Okay, whatever. I'll just keep an eye on the YouTube messages too, manually, just in case. But that's fine. Oh, cool. Okay, wait, what? That doesn't merge? None of these merge. Interesting. Cool and cool. Okay. Let's take a look. Ooh, something weird is going on with my display. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, well, whatever. We'll come back to this PR probably. I'll buy a new video card later. Maybe I'll just reboot. That's cheaper than buying a new video card. Okay. What's the latest? Okay, test failure 5 days ago. And my last commit was, what the fuck is, WTF is going on with this eventually block. I just don't understand what's going on with this test. It's behaving really, really strangely. Okay, cool. So, yeah, this is really weird. This eventually condition is just passing through. Does it just not throw an exception? Okay, let's go double check some code. This iteration is, nope, none of them are true. Nope, okay. Let's go take a look at this code block. Okay, so this eventually thing, eventually, yeah, okay. Eventually timeout. Yeah. So here we go. This is inside of Kubernetes suite.scala. Okay. No. Okay. Spark Kubernetes suite.scala. Okay. So org scala test concurrent eventually. So is this just eventually org scala test concurrent eventually. Okay, let's go take a look at this. So here's the deal. It looks like this is just returning false. Do I have to add is true? Like, I think this eventually logic was just screwy, like, as originally written. Like, I think, no, sorry, Kubernetes suite. Right, if we go look at this, the original eventually block. Right, okay. Oh no, I screwed it up. Cool. That's great. Lovely. Okay. This makes a lot more sense. Really exciting. So I didn't have this should be true, and then we're gonna go find this eventually up here. So should be true. Okay. Okay, cool. Maybe this will start to make more sense. Okay, git commit am. Rewrite the eventuallys to use should be. Oh, actually, yeah, before we do a git push, what are my different builds? Nope. Oh, is this it? Probably. Okay, cool. Okay, and then we're going to compile, and then test compile. Actually, this is going to take long enough that I'm going to just do a push anyways. And we'll go move this one down here. To use should be. Which I had accidentally removed. Cool. This makes a lot more sense, and hopefully this will lead to the CI at least failing in ways that make sense, right? Before it was failing in ways where it's like, I don't know what the hell's going on here. Okay. Or at least sort of okay, or something, I don't know. Is Restream chat? Restream chat. Cool. Oh yeah, right. Let's go back to the compile. Have some foods. cold oatmeal is better than no food. Okay. Cool. But at least now I'm no longer confused as to what's going on with these tests. Or at least, let me rephrase it. I think I understand what's going on with these tests, but there's this wonderful thing where that just means often that I don't really. While this is getting started, this will take a while, I think. I am going to also take a look at another thing over in the Kubeflow project really quickly, because I also have a PR out there, which is also having some fun with integration tests. So we're going to go author Holden. It's a work in progress, just while we're waiting for our primary thing to run through CI here. Cool. Let's go take a look at the details of that failure. Weird. I don't. Oh. Whoops. Screwed up there. Okay. Kubeflow. Okay. Deploy utils. Maybe I was working on a different machine. Yeah, that makes sense then. Okay. How's test compile coming along? Okay, still kind of slow. Oof. Well, I have coffee. Doesn't make my computer go any faster, but it makes me happier. I wonder if I can screw around with my restream configurations. Settings, chat, browser. It's not. Okay, this compilation's gonna take a while. Yay. Sorry, it's slow. It's the magic joys of life. What the fuck? Why did it go down to 0 of 2 connected? Cool. We'll try. Oh, I'm gonna try updating my restream chat window thing again. Cause why not? Oh, oops. Okay. Oof. Software slow. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Oh well. Oh, it got up to XL. Not what I wanted. Damn it. Wonder if I can get this a little smaller. In the meantime, nope. That's from the last stream. Let's go take a look over here. Spark QA kicked off. Okay, so let's go back to Kubernetes suite. So assuming that this should be true, fixes that, then the decommissioning test should still fail, but we should get some executors showing up. And then after that, what we would want to do is go switch this out, and then go down here. Yes, or well, actually, yeah, should be true, because at some point the resources should exist, and then if decommissioning test so if we're decommissioning insert mode decom, and we'll take all the printlns out later, should be false, because we would eventually expect this to delete those pods. Hey, it's Carolyn, everyone. I'm gonna switch to the talking screen because you helped me. Oh, you're hiding though.
Oh, I can
Here, I can move the camera. There we go.
What's going on? What am I helping with?
Well, right now you're helping me stall for time. It's a very exciting part of programming.
The waiting?
Yeah, it's just so much fun.
I'm not goofing off, my code is compiling.
In this case, I'm not grouping off, I'm waiting for CI, which is continuous integration, which is...
Do you still get to play with swords and wheelie chairs?
You know, since I worked at Foursquare, I haven't actually had swords at the office.
Oh yeah, they took them away from you, right?
Yeah, and
Or didn't kids come in and they took them? Someone took your swords.
Yeah, someone took my foam swords away when I worked at Foursquare, but they also wanted to take away the gender-neutral washroom and my pride flags, so I was more focused on other issues.
Leaving Foursquare?
Yeah, that's how I went to Google the first time. It turns out well, megacorps are not perfect. They enjoy not getting sued.
Not getting sued's pretty great.
Oh my god, yeah, life goal 2019.
Well, I worked for a small company that got sued, and then we didn't have money to do science.
Yeah,
that was sad.
Those were really nice people. I'm really sad that job went away.
Yeah, I'm really...
If anyone knows of mechanical engineering jobs in the Bay Area that do not involve traveling to Asia every month, Carolyn is amazing.
I'm starting to think that traveling to Asia might be okay.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
But
oh my
I
god!
don't speak
oh my
any
god!
Chinese.
Oh my god! That is okay. We'll talk. Oh god. Okay, we'll talk later.
Okay.
Oh my god! Airplanes and airplanes
because
and
if
airplanes.
I travel to Asia enough, then I'll get into the fancy bit.
Oh honey, that is I have 18 upgrade certificates for global flights. Girl, you just call
And I feel like that I need to fly United might be something that I could negotiate into this is what happens in my life.
I mean, I don't think you'd have to negotiate into your contract. You can
I think it's just a thing that I'm gonna say.
Yeah, when you're booking your flights, normally actually in the Bay Area, most corporations have United as a preferred.
Because they're a hub.
Yeah, so.
Where are Americans' hubs?
I don't know, places I don't live. I think Dallas, Fort Worth. right? DFW.
Wait, DFW is that also Southwest? No, that's Love Field.
Oh yeah, Love Field
Southwest
is
fucking loves, like, they own that shit.
Yeah, there's an amazing podcast about Love Field.
Mm.
I highly recommend it. And I've started calling just podcasts NPR, but you keep correcting me that not.
Some of them are not made by NPR.
Yeah, some of them are just people who have the NPR voice, which is like, oh my god.
Because there's podcasts that are shit.
Yeah. But no, these are good ones.
And then there's podcasts that are like...
with the NPR voice.
Yeah, like the Radiotopia folks. They're not NPR.
But they sound like it.
Some of them started out on... Well, Roman Mars started out on KALW, which is a public radio station that... They're like the small, independent public radio station in San Francisco compared to KQED, which is the one with the TV.
Right, if you're the indie alternative to the mainstream PBS affiliate, like, shit, girl.
NPR affiliate.
Sorry, NPR affiliate. Like, you're...
They're like...
I respect that amount of dedication.
No, they're the radio station that's owned by the, like, San Francisco Public Schools.
Oh,
that
okay,
just,
cool.
over time, kind of became an NPR affiliate.
It's legit.
You know, programming. It's programming that you can buy.
And it's, like, not that expensive programming, right? That's good.
I think it's, like, considerably less expensive than becoming, like, a CBS affiliate.
Oh, my God.
And,
Yeah.
like, why would you want that? Does
Yeah, we have enough
CBS even have
CBS.
radio anymore?
I don't... Yeah, iHeartMedia or something.
Oh, fuck that. Because WGN used to have a radio and a TV, but I don't know if they ever had them outside of Chicago. WGN stands for World's Greatest Newspaper. And they had the best morning show in Chicago because they just did not give a fuck. And they were, like, usually hungover. And, like, oh god, just didn't give a fuck. It's great. I'm gonna do a sitting.
Okay.
And I'm gonna try to figure out how to get rid of our table.
Oh, yeah. Have they not called you back?
No. I think because I, like, tried to contact them at Christmas. Or, I mean, New Year's.
Yeah. Export Spark. Okay, I'm gonna go... I've got some instructions on how to do a thing that I want to do now. I want to build a Spark Docker image so I can test it locally, but I never remember how to do what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go find Alden Caro Spark Kubernetes. Cool. It's my Riley. Oh yeah, this is like because I want to run it on that thing. Whatchamacallit? It's like .io. I have to go to cloud. Then we go console, because I don't remember my project name. There we go, it tells me the project name. Boo's demo projects are rad.
That's the project name?
Yep.
That's a good project name.
It is. If I realized how often I had to type it, I would have just made it like, you know, I like coffee.
Oh, did you already order new iCables? Because I found...
No, those aren't iCables.
These aren't iCables. I found a bunch of extra long iCables in my room.
I did.
Sorry. We should put them in a central repository.
Yeah, I thought you did.
I thought I did too, but then I found another repository of cables.
Cool. You can just merge them.
An iCable is a lightning cable?
Yeah. It doesn't like the Spark version I set. What?
The broker? Oh yeah, here's some iCables. There's a bundle of rope.
Oh yeah. What? I just ran this command. Why is that a bad tag? I don't... Oh, my Docker repo's fucked up. Okay. Oh, yeah, okay. Export registry. Well, that's the thing I could fix. If I cared. But it's been a long day, so I don't. Somehow it's 11 a.m. Okay, right, yeah. Export registry, export Docker repo. There we go. That'll build. While we wait for this to run. 16 minutes ago. We hit refresh. Normally, it kicks off the Kubernetes integration tests sooner, but it's possible that there's a backlog. Okay, cool. Now I'm gonna go ahead and connect to my cluster. It's like, because I probably this is ostensibly for doing other tests. I should make another cluster for... Oh, I shouldn't. Whateve. It's fine. kubectl proxy. Oh. Yeah. Cool. So then we're going to go resource managers, kubeflow, Kubernetes, integration tests, except, okay, dev, yeah, here we go. I should really, like, save this somewhere. Ah, fuck. Okay. Okay, we're building with Maven. Some shit happens. Some other... Okay, it's going to build a Docker image for us. And it's going to take a little time. Oh, that's that terminal error. Oh. Right. Well, whatever. We'll just do it over here. Java home needs to be set in a certain way. And it's set correctly over here. That's an old one. Resource managers, Kubernetes, integration tests. Name. Yep. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, okay. Okay. It's going okay. This one's still running. Job is triggered, but I should fix the formatting with the JSON. I'll do that later. How's this one coming along? Okay, 18 minutes ago. Normally it starts like within... I'm suspicious. That's okay though, I guess, or something. Like normally the Kubernetes one would have already started. Let's go take a look at the job queue for this. Can I find the job queue for this? Oh, it has started. It just hasn't commented. Cool beans. Cool beans. Ah, no, not what I wanted. I want console output. Yeehaw. Okay, cool. Oh, you've got my leg warmers on.
Yeah, my legs were cold.
Yeah, my legs are cold too. I'm gonna put on some leggings, underwear. It's a cold enough day. Let's see. Oh, cool. Oh, yeah, totally there. Okay, cool. Yeah, awesome. Yay, buttons. Our buttonsing. Very fastly buttoned. Much forwardness. Oh shit, this is gonna use an old version of the code. Fudgesicles. Damn it. Okay, yeah. Export Spark version, yeah. So we want to update the Spark version, so we're doing this with the right image over here. Yeah, there we go. Okay. This one. Okay. Collecting setup tools. Okay, yeah. What is this doing? Oh, this is building the Docker images. Did I build the Docker images correctly over here? Because that seemed to go much too fast. I did, because we changed that in ways that I don't really like. And I have a PR about that. Not changing how it was changed, just making it clearer. Let's go find that PR, because I don't remember what I'm doing. Spark pulse Holden. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, this one. And files changed. This more or less says, hey, if you want to do this, just go -p-r this. Okay, so -p-r. Oh, except it's -big R because we use -lower R to mean something else, which that's just going to be bad. Or not bad, just confusing to people like me who don't pay a lot of attention to what they're doing. Which, in my experience, is most people.
Depends on what they're doing and how paying attention is.
Yeah.
Like, if it's like organizing a drawer, I pay a lot of attention. It's like not walking into a wall.
You don't pay any attention.
Yeah. I just don't know where my body is in space.
So, oh, there's a tab here. Fucking hell. In like the middle. I hate software. Tabs versus spaces will be the death of me, probably. Okay. Yeah. That was supposed to be all spaces? Or no, this one's tabs. Oh, God. This one's mostly tabs and a space. This one's also mostly tabs and... oh, fuck it. Whatever. I'll just copy it from the line above. And that'll be fine. Okay, cool. So it looked like it started to do a run, sort of. So the decom test failed, which is sort of what I expected. Did it run the other test? No. Did it only... Oh, do I only have one test enabled right now? Let's go take a look at the Kubernetes suite. Because it's got the tests in it. This has all of the tests, and the decommissioning test is last. Why did it only run the decommissioning test? Is this the right output? Oh, wait, no, okay, I'm looking at the wrong one. Okay, thank God. Okay. Oh, hey, look! Yeah, now it's actually outputting the pods and shit. Okay, cool. Ah. Oh, did it work? No. Wait. No? Oh, yeah, events. Oh. Oh, yeah, it's doing shit. Yeah. Like, okay,
Is it working?
sorry. It's probably gonna fail, but it's hopefully gonna fail in a way that I vaguely expect or understand.
Oh, that's good.
Because, like, previously I was just like, what the fuck is going on? I have this condition which says this should be true, and it passes, and then immediately afterwards I print out the result of that condition, and it says false. And it turns out I was just checking the condition incorrectly, which is totally, like, the most logical thing, but, like, it's also just like, it looked like what I was doing was right. Of course, it was wrong, but that's just normal for Holden.
I'm happy for you.
You are using the same voice about...
You use when you talk about me.
No, only for the thing.
When I talk about shelving.
Yeah, okay. Oh my god, I'm so excited for Mermaid School.
It's professional development.
It is, and professional development is reimbursed at 60% unless someone notices.
Don't say that in recorded mediums. People might, like,
Misunderstand.
hear it. And, like, I don't know who watches these things.
Not my boss.
Don't, like, 3 people watch this?
Hey.
How many people are watching?
The live version, somewhere between 0 and 10. The recorded version, like, it gets between 0 and 100 views normally.
That's good. That's enough people.
But, like, I don't think any of them are my boss.
That's good.
Or his boss. Or his boss. Like, I don't think they're like...
The person confused of how a girl could have a wife.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry if you're watching, but we
That's
live in
okay.
San Francisco and girls have wives.
Yes. Queer?
Pansexual, queer. Yeah, pansexual sounds clunky.
Yeah, I like queer as a reclaimed word. It's something I'm comfortable with.
It sort of includes the gender weirdness.
Yeah. There's like no one watching today though, so that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah. It's okay. Oh wait, no, there's like 5 people watching today across the different things.
Hi, people who are watching.
But like this is really exciting, right? Like it's actually getting the pods allocated to it. The checks are happening correctly. It's just that I changed like it should be to just not say it should be. And so then I was just like, I'm returning false. What the hell's going on? And now, like, I don't expect this to like work, but like at the very least it might, maybe, kind of. So that's really, really quite lovely. Okay, while this is going on, we get to see another part of my life, which is pretty much just like continuous ADD, which is like, hey, this other thing is running, I should do this other thing. So we'll do that. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. Git commit-am. Change how we handle decom tests. Oh yeah, the decom test should fail. Change how we handle decom tests to actually decom workers and check that workers are decommed eventually. Okay, cool. I'll do a good push on that. Maybe it'll kick off another job already, maybe it won't. In the meantime, we're gonna go over here to that thing with the tabs versus spaces where my life is just like, I hate everything. Because tabs and spaces mixed in the same file makes me kind of sad. So docker image tool.sh. Or like not in the same file, in the same line. You know what? Okay, so it's like -p. Okay, here we go. Ah, fuck. Alright, let's go space -p. Okay. So then Control S tab. Okay. Control S tab. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, I don't want switch postfix. Okay. Query replace tab with 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Oh no. Shit. Cool. Alright. Remove the tabs mixed in between the spaces in the usage function string. Cool. So yeah, there we go. That'll fix the buttons and everything looks like it's lined up. Yeah, we're good. Love how much of my job is just kind of like looking at a thing and being like, this looks fine. Everything's fine. Nothing's on fire.
That's what mechanical engineering is in some ways.
Yeah, I like fire. Oh my god. Okay, so the Hilton Austin downtown has an heated pool outdoors, so I think it's okay even if it is a little cold.
To do your mermaiding.
Yeah,
That's
there.
good.
Because then I don't have to change hotels, and like I might have to like call someone to change hotels.
Yeah, that's reasonable.
Although I am probably going to change the length of my hotel stay now that... Oh.
You can mermaid.
Yes. Although, of course, to try and meet with some valued clients. Actually, for real, because there's some people that use Spark down in Austin who really wanted to chat last time, and I just wasn't in town long enough.
There was the human doing the like medical shit with it.
Oh. No, other
in
stuff.
Austin.
No. Yeah. I mean, probably too. I don't know. I like have really mixed feelings about people doing medical stuff with Spark. Like, I'm really glad that people are using it to do things besides selling ads to people. Not that there's anything wrong with selling ads to people.
I thought it was like researchy stuff.
Oh yeah, no, researchy stuff. Yeah. No, the researchy people I feel pretty okay about. Because, like, someone will double check it before they, like, feed drugs to people.
Research.
Yeah.
The guy with the kids.
Yeah.
He was nice.
Very nice. Okay, cool. Fuck yeah. So it ran, and it failed as I expected.
That's good.
High fives. Holden wins. Holden wins a cuddle with Snoopy. Yeah, I really like... Knoxbury Farm sounds fun, because I like Snoopy.
It's Snoopy, and there's a Wild West town, and there's a blacksmith.
But we could also just
And
go to
you can ride
Disneyland.
on like 3 different kinds of trains.
But, like, we have an annual pass to
And a
Disneyland.
stagecoach. Knott's Berry Farm is like $50.
Yeah, okay, I'd pay $50 to go hang out with Snoopy.
Like, Knott's Berry Farm isn't very expensive comparatively.
Snoopy.
And like, There's roller coasters you're not gonna go on, but there's a stagecoach,
Snoopy is really excited.
and there's a steam train, and there's like another kind of train. There's a mine train.
I like trains.
Yeah.
I like the mine. Oh, Disneyland in Japan, the mine cart train was like kind of a lot more intense than the one in America.
Thunder Mountain.
Thunder Mountain, yeah.
I think Thunder Mountain in Orlando is more intense too.
Oh shit.
I'm not sure.
Hmm.
There's also the Seven Dwarfs mine train.
Oh, we have to like go there this year.
Orlando?
Yeah.
Oh, do we have a
Yeah,
timeshare presentation?
We have a exciting opportunity to learn about a thing that we don't have the money to buy.
But last time when I'm like, this is the same amount of money I owe on my student loans, the guy like kind of stopped trying so hard.
Well, yeah, I think it's when we show up, they're just like, oh, you're not gonna buy a timeshare.
You're like wearing some like disco ball spandex outfit.
Yeah. I mean, to be fair, I have invested a substantial portion of my money into spandex clothing.
Should we wear dinosaur outfits this time?
Oh my god, yes.
Well, the dinosaur outfits are like expensive though. We spent all our money on dinosaur costumes, so we can't get a timeshare.
We spent $500 on dinosaur costumes in 1 month. That
Did
was
my romper ever come?
Maybe.
I was supposed to get a romper because my Disconium romper is falling apart.
Did we order the romper?
I thought we did. Maybe we didn't. It's okay if we didn't. It determines whether I keep my Disconium one.
I mean, we could search for that while we're waiting, or I can search for that while I'm waiting for the CI to.
How about I search for it? It's probably with the other sparkly shit.
Yeah. Oh, I meant more. I can search my email to see if we ordered it. Oh, but they do have a sale.
They have a sale most times you check them.
That's true. They do know one of the ways to my heart.
Sale and holographic spandex.
Oh my god, yes. If you're... Okay,
There's not a romper that I found with the sparkly stuff.
Oh, we did get a Rainbow Silver Dragon hoodie romper.
Oh, here it is.
Yeah.
I thought it was a shirt.
No, so it's just hanging up there with the stuff.
Should we show it to our friends?
Sure. Yeah. Let me go switch this into the... Yeah, we got Carolyn a disco dinosaur rainbow romper.
It's clothing. It's most definitely clothing.
Although, if for tax purposes that stuff
It's
was
a
costumes for my...
For your
Work.
professional development.
Not professional development. No, I can't get Google to pay for my clothes. But...
Wait, no, because you wear your things to the conferences and it's work.
It is.
Is it tax deductible?
Given the number of times I was audited in Canada, and given that I'm
ask
not an
our
American
accountant.
citizen, yeah, we should ask someone who's a professional,
We have an accountant.
which is really good.
Because we can't fucking... I don't trust ourselves to, like, do a good job at that.
Okay. Oh, cool. Okay, this failed doing a Spark deploy.
I think she saves us more money than she costs.
Yeah, no, I agree. Having an accountant is a valuable investment when you're us. Oh, cool. Okay, deploy Kubeflow failed. And set up Minikube. Oh, yeah, sorry, let me switch back to live mode so you can see what I'm talking about. Oh, shit, there's no SRC dir defined here.
Oh, it's not warm enough to wear this in the house.
So,
Even with leg warmers.
it looks like... so the change here right now is that the tests were just running against master, which is just like a really useless kind of way to run your tests. Or not useless, just like not very useful.
Which coffee was mine?
I don't think it's either of these.
Okay, I lost my coffee.
I think your coffee's somewhere else.
I want to get more. Should I make more?
Up to you.
Okay.
I'm really confused why this is still running a Spark deploy, because I'm like 90% sure that I don't have one of those anymore in the... Wait for Kubeflow logic. Repos Kubeflow. Spark. There is no instance of the word Spark. Okay. Let's grep-r spark-deploy /. Okay. Workflows.libs.net. Okay. Workflows. Spark-deploy. Wait, what? Okay, wait for Kubeflow. Can you get it? Okay. Go. Spark. Job. Depends on wait for Kubeflow. Do we need this? I think we don't. For now? Does that seem right? Take Spark deploy out of workflows. Since is that okay? Yeah. Because the one we already, since we cover it, I'm not there. Where do we cover it? Is it? Okay. Since we cover in KF presub. Okay. Yeah, okay. Hey girl, hey.
Hey girl, hey, you got your stuff for the cables and shit?
Oh, cool.
And a battery pack.
Oh, cool. Those things are useful. Deploy Kubeflow. Okay. Yeah. So here in util.py, so it says we don't have create PR symlink. Like this knows the PR number. Create PR sim link. Okay, so okay. This is weird. And I just want to point at the fucking code that we checked out, but there's no... Okay. So this... Let's go find the checkout script. Kubeflow checkout.sh. Testing checkout.sh. Okay. Yeah, these environment variables are totally defined, but somehow they aren't defined later, which is confusing. Right, like repo org, repo name, SHA, pull number. Oh, wait. Okay. So wait. What? Okay, I'm confused. Let's go over to deploy utils. Repo underscore name. Oh, these are hard coded. That's... Okay. So kubeflow underscore registry. So this is now saying that what we do is create a vendor directory with a symlink to the SRC so we can use code at the desired commit. What about if we just did IDK what the emp looks like? Util.run find.slash. Okay, and then we'll just figure out what's going on. Debug, commit, revert later. Cool. I guess understanding two things in one day was perhaps a bit of a stretch goal. But that's okay, right? Understanding one thing in a day is pretty okay. Cool. Kubernetes integration tests started again. It's been running for 20 minutes. It's kicked off the Spark Pi job. It's looking pretty legit, I guess, ish. Snoopy's still hanging out with me. That's back over here. Yeah. Okay. How's that going?
There is no active call.
That's creepy. But I guess I did purchase that, so.
Does the Alexa camera work like a regular Alexa?
Yeah, sort of.
So you have two Alexas in your room now.
Well, the Alexa camera doesn't seem to understand a lot of the devices.
Oh.
So, for example, Alexa, turn off back room.
What?
No. And so,
Sorry, I didn't find a device named back room.
and Echo, turn off back room. Echo,
What the fuck?
turn on back room. Whatever. Software's hard. Echo, turn off vibrators.
Sorry, I didn't find a device named my bedroom.
Echo, turn off vibrators. Whatever. The disco ball will just keep going. Which is fine. I gotta roll out soon though, because I got that class at 1. But it looks like it's going pretty okay. Right, like we're getting pods and stuff. Everything looks good. I don't know. What do you think the odds are that the test is gonna pass this time?
7.
7%? That's pretty optimistic.
7.
I agree.
Maybe I can turn off the vibrator from the
Our life problems are weird.
You're the one who put.
Yeah.
You're the one who called the magic plug a vibrator,
It seemed like a really good idea at the time.
and I'm the one who couldn't find a magic plug that worked, so I put the disco ball on it.
Oh, yo, we should get. Do you want to get sandwiches?
Oh yeah, I like sandwiches.
I gotta roll out soon though. Can you call the sandwich place if I walk over and pick up the sandwiches?
Yeah. What kind of sandwich you want?
Not so Reuben.
Okay.
Oh my god, sandwiches. I'm so excited for sandwiches. Yeah. I'm excited for this thing maybe passing. It would make me so happy. Also, like, a little bit frustrated, because honestly, I've probably spent several hours with that, like, problem.
Should I call them now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, it's gonna take them, like, 10 minutes to make the sandwiches, right?
Okay.
And I'll walk over, like, as soon as this test finishes, which is probably 5 minutes, I'll do a commit, and then I'll walk over and grab sandwiches.
Okay. Oh god, I stood up too fast when I'm dizzy.
Do you need your coffee?
No.
Okay. This is the downside of not going to work, is that I have to buy sandwiches rather than eat the free ones at work. But that's okay, because I can go dancing today, which is exciting. Oh, and the PyCon CFP closes today. How we doing? Pretty okay. so close. Okay, Python 3 test with PyFiles example. Going ahead and running. Do. Come on, 11. Memory customization test. I should have commented out all of the other tests, but I wanted to make sure that it was, like, working. Excited for sandwich.
15 minutes.
Okay.
It's a Reuben and a bad pigs.
Okay, yeah.
I think I got a bad pig, something like that.
So it's fine. They're not that busy normally. So if I show up and I say not so Reuben and like something else, they'll be like, yeah, we got you.
Mm-hmm.
Did you give them a name?
They didn't ask for a name.
Maybe they have caller ID.
Maybe. I don't know.
Oh, I want this to work, but I know the odds are against me.
Oh, ow.
Oh, Caroline, you should be safe. Snoopy will teach you a class on not walking into things.
Okay.
Snoopy's class says, first off, your job is to deliver all of the stuffies to Holden's bed for safekeeping.
That's not how I stop walking into things.
Snoopy is now demanding treats.
Okay, Snoopy, whatever you say.
How we doing? Okay, we've got some pods. They're very pod-like. Oh, I can switch this back to use the Decom PR because the Decom test. Because I was doing it with the Pi test, but the Pi test is probably going to exit before it has a chance to finish, so I should use the Decom test. Right, so let me show you what I'm talking about, folks. So Kubernetes suite, but then there's also the decommissioning suite. Okay, so the it's like wait, what? Oh, I'm in the wrong branch. Okay. Yeah, okay. So there's the decommission suite. And I switched this to do a Spark Pi because it was just being really, really weird. And not doing what I expected. And I thought maybe it was that I was doing the Python, and the Python ones were going down a different code path that wasn't being tested the same way. Turns out, my guess was like completely wrong. So that's okay. What we're going to do is we're going to go find the old version of the decommission suite. Yeah, okay, decommission suite. Okay, whatever. Or wait, yeah? There we go. So, this is the old... So what we're going to do is we're going to revert this, because that is not true. And that'll hopefully... well, but since we actually have these two in order, we'll probably need to revert both of them. So we'll revert those two in order. Yeah. Turns out I was just checking executor registration incorrectly. Okay, cool. There we go. And then we can push that. Okay, so... Oh yeah, here we go. This is actually running the decommissioning test. We can see if it worked. I don't know if it will have or not. Okay, yeah, cool. It looks like the code passed to eventually and never returned. The last message was true is not false, Kubernetes suite line 323. So we're going to go take a look at Kubernetes suite line 323. Okay, yeah, interesting. So this is essentially saying, hey, so after the executors are registered, sleep a small interval to match the execution time. Okay, yeah. We're gonna go ahead, cut this down to 100, and cut this down to 100 as well. And then we're gonna go find, oof, okay, we didn't actually want to change that. Decommissioning.py. That's probably fine. Okay. Cut the wait time down. And so if decommissioning test, if decommissioning, we need to wait and check the executors were removed. Wait for the executors to become ready. To allow execution. And then this one is going to be wait for the executors to be removed. Okay. Match the wait logic to refactor. Still janky. Okay, cool. So at the very least, understand what's going on with the tests. Not enough that I'm confident to strip out the printlins just yet, but that's going to be where we cut it off today because I want sandwiches, and I've got a pole dancing class coming up. So thank you all for joining me. I hope you had a lovely day. Today's Thursday, right?
Yeah.
tomorrow morning I will be doing my regular bi-weekly Spark code review. And I hope you'll join me for that. Yeah. Have a lovely Thursday.